Easy, single-handed door installation with dynamic 2D hinges. Removing the door from the frame. With the door open, loosen the security grub screws with a 2mm hex key. Now gently prise off the top and bottom caps and the central covers. With a 5mm ball-ended insert bit, drive out all of the pins. Use an angle drive for the extreme top and bottom pins. So, with all pins removed, simply release the lock and lift the door towards you. Refitting the door to the frame. With two run-up locks on the threshold, simply lift the door back into the frame and throw the lock. It's easy, even with no head clearance above the door. Drop in the top pins. Then drive in the bottom pins to align the marks on the adjustment label. It takes only 2 turns to drive down the top pins. Refit all covers and end caps. Finally, open the door and lightly tighten all grub screws. Adjusting the door. Use a standard 5mm hex key or our special adjustment tool. If space is a problem, open the door and use the spanner end. Use the same tool for plus or minus 4mm height adjustment. Adjust the bottom pins only and all by an equal amount.